Day 3. Yesterday you saw what a complete trading algorithm looks like. Today you're going to learn about the very first thing that runs before a single price ever comes in. Every algorithm needs a starting point, a place to set things up before the action begins. Cash amount, which assets to trade, what date range to use, none of that happens by accident. So, what is Initialize? Initialize is the method that runs once, at the very start of your algorithm, where you set your starting cash, the assets you want to trade, and the date range for your backtest. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have setting up a kitchen before service. On the right, initialize. Imagine a chef arriving at the restaurant before opening. Before a single customer walks in, they check the fridge, lay out the knives, decide what's on tonight's menu. None of that happens while cooking, it happens once before service starts. The kitchen setup here says, get everything in place before the real work begins. Initialize works exactly the same way. It runs a single time before any data arrives, which in this case is, you tell your algorithm its starting cache, which assets to watch, and which dates to test, all before the first price ever shows up. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of initialize in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Initialize runs every time new price data comes in, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Initialize runs only once at the very start. The method that runs on every new price update is a different one. You'll meet it soon.